Hey guys, this is Angad from ASN Cars and Tech. Please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please give a thumbs up to this video. Also follow me on Instagram to never ever miss any of my amazing updates. Without wasting any time, let's start today's informative video. In today's video, I am going to tell you some tips to improve the battery life on your smartphone. Most of us face this issue today, so here is the fix for all of you. According to me, the major problem in our smartphone is the battery draining issue. The brand new smartphone will give you the best battery life. But as the phone becomes older, the battery starts draining rapidly. And yes, it's a fact. Most of us experience this. But it's not possible to change a smartphone every 3 months, and it is also not possible to install a higher capacity battery to your existing smartphone. But yes guys, we can improve the battery life of our smartphone by just following some simple tips. The enemy of battery life is heavy gaming, consuming social media, and maybe watching series and movies on video streaming services. But we can't stop all this, right? As entertainment and enjoyment is also necessary. The first tip for today. There are many applications which keep on running in the background. This consumes a lot of battery life, and yes, it will drain your battery, and also your RAM management gets weaker, especially for the Android users. So don't allow that apps to run in the background. There is an option in the settings through which you can do so. The next tip is also related to background applications. Sometimes after using our phone, we just lock our phone and keep it aside, especially when we sleep. But we forget to kill that background apps. So kill all the background running applications from the recent apps section. Don't allow any app to run in background. And I promise you guys, your battery life will be saved on a larger extent. Now let's come to the next, which is the most important tip for today's video. The location services. Don't question me that it is not wrong to use a location service. GPS allows us to know directions. But what is the need to use such services 24 hours? You don't travel for 24 hours. Suppose you are at your house and then also the location service is turned on. Suppose you are working in your office and the location service is turned on. Where are you using Google Maps or the Apple Maps? You are not using, right? But there are 3 options through which you can control your location service. One is always on. I will never recommend always on. The next one comes, I think, moderate one. That is also not recommended by side. Turn it off. Simply turning the location services off may save your battery to a larger extent. Maybe you do not need to buy a new smartphone, only the reason because of your battery life. So stop turning on the location services. Turn it on whenever you need it. Turn it on whenever you want to locate a place. That's my suggestion. Go and try this after my video. The next step, most of us do this mistake, even me. We make use of Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth and all other wireless connections, right? But we all forget to turn it off after its use is completed. If you turn them off, your battery life will be saved. They are the biggest enemies of battery. Nothing to use in mobile is wrong, but use it in a limit. As I mentioned in my previous video, also watch my video on side effects of a smartphone. Such tips will also help you. The next tip is devoted to AMOLED display users. What is an AMOLED display? Let's talk about that now. AMOLED display has pixel individual backlight. It has the right to turn the backlight when not in use. So make use of that bonus feature. Yes, my AMOLED display users, including me, use darker things in your phone. So the backlight is turned off. For example, set a darker wallpaper. By setting up a black wallpaper or a darker wallpaper, your backlight is turned off, your battery life is saving, because display is the major factor or the major thing which consumes a lot of battery. So set a darker wallpaper. Make use of dark mode. There are two advantages. Yes, there are two advantages. Number one is your eyesight, it will be protected, and number two, as I have already mentioned, it will also save your battery. So even the normal display users can make use of dark mode. The next thing for everyone now, and a very important tip, we all set live wallpapers, maybe for showing off our great display. But there's no need to show off, and live wallpapers, you are not at your home screen every time, you keep on browsing other applications also. So I don't think there are live wallpapers which are like very necessary. Live wallpapers also drain your battery. The most important tip in my video, most of the people keep their brightness to 100%. Guys, it's totally wrong. Don't make use of 100% brightness, the full brightness. First of all, it's destroying your eyesight, as smartphones emit a lot of radiations. Don't make use of full brightness. Full level is very dangerous for battery, for display life, and even for your eyesight. So it is not favoring anything. Keep your brightness to a medium level or lower than 50%. The next thing is like very common. All of the smartphones have it, and it's like very older feature. The vibration motor. We turn the vibration on while our phone rings when we receive a call, or like when we type on keyboard. See, I personally hate that feedback received through vibration when I type. Like, it simply distracts me what work I am doing. So my take on this is turn off the vibration motor, because vibration motor also takes a lot of battery to work. It's a hardware, right? It's a motor, it's a machine installed in your smartphone. You should not do gaming while charging your smartphone or any other task. First of all, it may cause a blast. Not necessary, because nowadays the batteries are like latest. I don't think, but there are blasts happening. So my responsibility is to cover it all in this video only. The next thing in the conclusion clearly says charging your battery only to 80%. So when you charge your phone till 80%, first of all, your battery health is like maintained. It will remain to 100%. Battery charging basically has one battery cycle from 0 to 100, that's 0 to full charge, and 100 to 0. Never ever charge your battery to 100%. Never ever drain your battery to 0%. Charge your battery to 80%, drain your battery to 20%. The most, if you want, you can drain your battery to 15%, 1.5, and not more than that. That's the tip of battery charging cycles. I hope the video is very informative, and I hope you will follow all of my tips. See you in the next one. Till then, always keep smiling.